guys, welcome back to another video where today, this is the 5th day until Christmas. So, what I decided to do was, I'm doing 5-minute typing tests just because I have nothing else to do. I had no video planned for today, so let's do this. I thought of something 5. At first I thought I should do like 5-minute math drills, but why not? Because I do this in school, so let's do this. Okay, 5-minute test. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Okay, typing test. Okay, ready, set, go. Aesop what was one of the great Greek writers. He is best known for his fables, stories that have a moral. They teach us something about how we should live our lives. Aesop wrote thousands of these stories. Here are a few. Period. The wolf in sheep's clothing. Once upon a time, a wolf decided to disguise the way he looked. He thought, I can't spell, thought it would, I'm just losing it, thought it would help him get food more easily. He put on the skin of a sheep. Then he went out with the flock into the pasture. Even the shepherd was fooled by his clever costume. I wouldn't be. In the evening, the sheep herd put him in with the rest of the sheep. This keyboard is bad for typing. He closed the gate and made sure it was secure before he went to bed. In the middle of the night, he came back to the fold to get some meat for the next day. Instead of a sheep, though, he grabbed the wolf, killing him instantly. That's sad. Those who look to harm others will be harmed themselves. I did so bad. Okay, I am average, not bad. I am average type. Whew. That was hard. Okay, let's retake it. Let us do. I gotta set this again to stupid ads on the sides, but I've cut all those out, so you don't have to deal with those, but I do. Start typing test. Alright. So, ready, set, go. Aesop was one of. No, what happened? What happened? Aesop was one of the great, I can make it up, Greek writers. He is, you know what? No. Cancel. Test completed, showing results. Yes, I'm good at this. Retake test. That went so badly. Oh, it scrolled down and I was confused. Okay, ready, set, go. Aesop was one of the great Greek writers. He is best known for his fables, stories that have a moral. They teach us something about how we should live our lives. Aesop wrote thousands of these stories. Here are a few. The wolf in sheep's clothing. Once upon a time, a wolf decided to disguise the way he looked. He thought it would help him get food more easily. He put on the skin of a sheep. Then he went out with the flock into the pasture. Even the shepherd was fooled by his clever costume. In the evening, the shepherd put him in with the rest of the sheep. he closed the gate and made sure it was secure before he went to bed. In the middle of the night, he came back to the fold to get some meat for the next day. Instead of a sheep, though he grabbed the wolf, killing him instantly. Wait, did the wolf die or did the kid die? Those who, I think it was the wolf, look to harm others will be harmed themselves. I made it through that. The bat and the I can't spell that. Weasel, a bat fell on the ground and was caught by a weasel. It I did so bad. Ooh, 36. I am still average. I am still an average person. Okay, let's see. I think I should do it. One more time. And I don't want to talk about Aesop anymore, so I will talk about the rules of baseball. Okay. Who's on first? What's on second? I don't know who's on third. Okay. Here we go, guys. Ready? Aim. Fire. Baseball has been the national pastime in the United States since the middle of the 1800s. Each period has had a unique flavor, and it is sometimes useful to read about a period from the perspective of the time in which it took place. The following comes from Spalding's baseball guide and official league. This is hard. It's league. Would you stop putting the capital letters? Book for 1889. That was hard. Written in that same year. What's with the semicolons and everything? The language has not been edited to reflect modern expressions or word usage. The more capitals join rules committee and their work. The work accomplished by the joint rules committee of the national league. I'm doing really badly now. League and the American Association at their meeting in New York. Oh, that's a lot. In November 1888, ranks with the best on record in the revision of the playing rules of the game, and the successful results achieved in improving the code were largely due to the marked efficiency evinced by the chairman of the. I'm done. I did so badly. 31. So I am basically in the 30s. So that typing class pretty much helped. I remember when I first started before the typing class, when we took this test in the very beginning, I think I had 20 or less than 20. I think it was like around 18. So, yes, thank you, teacher. Thank you, Mr. Edwards, for helping me learn to type faster. You helped. So, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I challenge you, Justin, to do the same thing, and I want to see what your score is, and anybody else that wants to do it with me, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below, a link to the video where you've done it, and I'd love to see you guys do it as well. So yeah, guys, I challenge you, Justin, and I challenge the rest of you to do so as well. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as I typed and typed and typed and typed. But anyway, so yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next video, which will be the 4th day before Christmas. Bye!